It smells like butt and mint. Ass with mint jelly. Hi, it's Kendall here. Please ignore my foundation today. I don't know what I did or what combination of things I did, but I am oily and it won't go away. It's okay right now because I just basically dumped my face with translucent powder. So please don't clock me with no flash photography because I will be glowing in the dark. But today is actually a review day. I realize I don't really do a whole lot of reviews on my channel. Let me know if you would like to hear more about that, like more review stuff, because you guys ask me about products I like, but I never really make whole videos reviewing things. Not very often. I've done like a few cushions here, a few lines here, a few lipsticks here, blah blah blah, but I don't do it on a regular basis. So let me know. And if you do want to hear about those things, let me know what products you want me to try out, because like I just might have put an order in for some stuff that I don't need. What else is new? Oh, by the way, peep my Planet Fitness shirt. Yep. New year, new me. Not really. Same old, but my butt's a little tighter. So today we are going to be reviewing these beauties. These are the NAKEUP Face C-Cup Lip Talk Sticks. Basically, they're lipsticks. They're supposed to be a little bit more moisturizing, a little bit more plumping, i.e. C-Cup, because they're comparing it to like tickle bitties. Basically, it's supposed to be a push-up bra for your lips, I guess. Over the past few years, Korea has been kind of drifting away from kind of the traditional lip gradient, you know, the like concealer thing going on and then like red, and it's more of like a natural gradient, one that makes your lips look a little bit bigger, either a combination of colors or just wearing a full lip color and slightly blending the edges. Basically, these are supposed to make your lips look more plump, kind of smooth out the lines, keep everything really youthful and juicy looking. So it comes in 5 colors. This is number 1 Kiss Mark. This is the Resident Red of the group. This is a pretty true red, maybe a little bit on the orange side, a little bit warmer. Might make your teeth look a little yellow, but pretty nonetheless. Next, we have number 2 Marilyn. This is like a nice mid-tone pink. Number 3 Steeler, like a creamsicle coral. A little bit more pink than orange. Spring appropriate as we get closer to that time of the year. Finally, please. Nude Beach. I just realized I have not been recording myself actually swatching them. So it's a slightly lighter coral and a little bit more pink than the one before that. I do not consider this a nude. And then last but not least, number 5, which is Stalker, which is a great name. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, how would I describe that? MLBB color, maybe slightly more brown, slightly. Oh, that's gonna be, I already knew which one is the one I'm gonna like. Newsflash, is this one.
I'm just a little excited because I met somebody today. Someone in the bookstore. Someone who likes the same kind of literature as I do. Oh, and the adventure begins again.
These, oh, actually it has a little bit of a berry red color. That is cute. So these are definitely like a cream finish lipstick, in no way matte. Nice full coverage. The hell is that? That's strong. A very strong, like metallic mint chemical smell. Who okayed? Ooh, no. Why would you want that anywhere near your lips? Dude, who okayed this? Who made it okay for production? Oh no, I have to wipe it off. No ma'am. I was reading up online and I was looking at all the reviews and no one ever said anything about the smell. What? I wonder if the scent will last on the lips. So let's get in and do some actual like swatches on my face. But my nose and my lip are real close together, fam. I don't... Ooh, okay. Let's zoom us in. I wonder, can you see how bad my like foundation game is today? It's rough. I was able to save it, but barely. Kind of. Not really. I don't know. Low-key don't want to put this on my face now, but let's start off with number 1. Okay, I don't smell it on my lips, so that's good. But yeah, that bullet smells terrible. God, I guess if you like hold your breath, As you put it on, it's all right. They feel really smooth going on and have the absolute slightest feeling of like menthol. I was reading somewhere where people were saying that they're a little drying. They don't feel drying at all to me right now. I don't know, maybe with prolonged wear. It smells like butt and mint. Ass with mint jelly. But as far as application, that was really nice. That was really enjoyable. It was quite the experience. It felt very like old Hollywood experience. Oh, not to mention, let's do a close-up of that packaging. Which, TBH, was the main reason I bought this. Ooh, my nails ain't done. This is gonna ruin a thumbnail. Yeah, I don't care. Okay, so this is Kiss Mark. It's pretty. Usually for reds like this, usually for reds in general, I tend to go a bit deeper. So this isn't really my red. It's not like a red that I would wear. I also tend to wear my reds matte, like hella matte. So, pretty. I do smell the mint, but on my lip, but it's not in any way like distracting right now the way it is when you're like smelling it on the bullet. That's horrible. But on my lips, I barely smell it at all, so that's good. Like, I ain't gonna do that all day, so I'm alright. Give me an ever so slight gradient. I think I like that better. It's a little less harsh and it actually blends into my skin tone a little better. Looks a little bit more worn in. I ain't mad at it, but I probably won't wear it. Like, realistically, I'm not gonna wear it. Okay, and now that I'm like wiping it off, I do feel the slightest bit of a tingle, kind of like when you put on like a very mild lip plumper. It doesn't feel uncomfortable like one of those like bee sting lip balm things. It doesn't feel bad, and my lips don't feel super dry either. Next we have number 2, Marilyn. Nude. Well, let's just say this right now. I'm not a pinks person generally on me. I don't find that pinks, especially these kind, work well for me. I don't like pinks. I'm more of a brown, mauve-y, dark tan color type chick. Maybe with a lip liner? Maybe. Okay, let's blur out the edges first and then see if we can, if it's still not looking okay, we can try with a lip liner. We'll see how, maybe we can make it work. We can make it cute. Okay. Ooh, no, baby, what is you doing? I don't like this on me. It's a pretty color though, so it could be pretty on someone, but it's just so bright. Let me try a lip liner. This is Wet n Wild something. It rubbed all off. It's a brown though. I really need to buy lip liners again. Lip liners are one of those things that I just never buy. I'm not even gonna line my lips. I'm gonna do like a gradient on the sides, I guess, and see if that works. Better? Still no. It's a no for me, fam. I'm just not a pinks person. But this is better. It kind of like nuded it out a little bit, and I feel like that looks a lot better on my skin tone and with my vibes. There it is. That's number 2, Marilyn. Actually, no, the more I look at it, the more I don't hate it. It's pushing me out of my comfort zone a little bit, and also it's making me do like this a little bit. I think it is the plumping. The plumping's doing something for your girl. Yeah, when they come off, my lips are getting... That feels... They look bigger. Each time I take them off, I am feeling that kind of like tingle feeling. Again, not at all uncomfortable, but something to be aware of. Number 3 is Steeler. So in comparison to the color that we just did, we have Steeler and Marilyn. Steeler is definitely more orange, more of a coral. Okay, on camera this is coming out way brighter, but it's actually a bit more of a wearable coral. But I can tell this is one of those colors that I don't think I would want to apply really, really heavily. I don't think like a whole all like, ooh, smear it on, kind of like the way I did the other ones. I actually, by mistake, just ended up doing this one lighter, and then I ended up liking it. Sorry, my inadvertent genius. Let's see, if we go like wholehearted. I'm not a fan of this like full on. Take off some of that excess, I'm kind of feeling it. So I was thinking like, ooh, this would be a pretty color for a blush, and then I realized that plumping, I don't know if I would want to put this like on my skin for risk of breakouts, so I will not do that. Steeler. Woo! my mouth getting big. Mouth getting huge. Okay, this is Nude Beach. God, that smell, man. Oh, this is more nude. I don't know why. I just figured this was like too pink to be nude. I don't know why. This one feels stiffer to me. It's not painting on quite as easy as the other ones. Prefer with the liner, but I'm not mad at it by itself. It's not a color I would usually gravitate towards, but it's not terrible. Let's try it with a little bit of a liner. Oh yeah, that's cute. I like that. I actually really like that a lot more than I thought I was gonna like that. That's cute. Okay, a nude that isn't a tan for once. I'm going like more pinky nude. Hello, me branching out. Stop. I'm trying to be more adventurous. I am living a little bit. I kind of like it. I didn't think I would like this. This is cute. It's like a little bit more on the pink side than I usually do. A little bit more. I think this would be really cute, like just like minimalist in every other way. Like I have a lot of makeup on right now. So much that I'm not even proud to say how much makeup I have. I'm surprised that I'm not like breaking down, like melting. Like a very natural look, like very thin layer of foundation, a little bit of concealer, give my eyebrows and my eyelashes, and then put this lip on. Made a little something like that. That's cute. Again, this is number 4, Nude Beach. And now, last but not least, the color I've been waiting for the most. Stalker. That was very anticlimactic. Just like a red-brown kind of color. So this is my favorite color. That's mad pretty. That's a very pretty color. Sorry, I'm a little shook. I'm trying to think of like, you know, the cute little like very descriptive way to describe things like people do on the internet when they're beauty curious, but I'm just kind of like this mess that likes to play with makeup and you guys just deal with it. It's right in between like a red meets a mauve meets a brown. Very much so your lips but better color, but it's like slightly more lively than some other ones tend to be. It's not quite mauve. It's not a mauve color. How did they do it? That's pretty. I would imagine also if you're like a makeup artist and you're doing men's makeup, this would be a really interesting, pretty color because it feels so worn in. Really rubbing into the lips. Oh, God, that's pretty. So I know which one I would get if I were you. Definitely this one. Get this one. Get this one. I feel like if you're gonna do like glass skin and you want to do like something that's very, very lived in looking, this is a really pretty color. I am creasing like a mother flipper. I am never doing my foundation like this ever again. Sorry, I'm having a very bad foundation day. This is so pretty. I am alive. I am living. I'm so pretty. I'm sorry. This day turned out well after all. I was so concerned. Yeah, the smell isn't distracting at all. I was really concerned about that because the moment that smell hit me. Okay, we're zoomed out. Let's talk about it. Let's discuss. What are the thoughts? What are the final verdict on these? I feel as though they are nice. That's about it. It depends on what you're looking for. Do I think any of the colors are exceptionally exceptional? No. Except for that stalker color. That's really different from other colors I have. But overall, I don't think the colors are particularly exceptional or revolutionary in any way, especially not in K-beauty. These colors tend to be pretty permanent in basically everyone's line. These are not the cheapest lipsticks either. They're not super expensive either. They're around that $15 range, give or take, depending on what website and depending on what store you use. But I feel like if you're going to go K-beauty for colors, except for that last one, and maybe even the fourth one too, those are two pretty colors. But I feel like if you're going to go for any of the first 3 colors in particular, those can be found in like Etude House lipsticks, which tend to run you about $9. Some Innisfree lipsticks, which can range between like $6 to a little bit more than that, maybe 10. Yeah, I just feel like everyone has, especially Korean road shop brands, I feel like everyone has colors like that. So I don't feel like these are particularly worth spending that extra 5,000 won or whatever that you're going to spend on them. Yeah, to be honest, I did not expect to like these. I expected to hate them because of that smell. And it just kind of confuses me that no one brought that up. But But I guess it's because when it's on the lips, I don't smell anything. And anything that I do smell just smells pleasantly minty, not in that like chemical suspended in metallic tin liquid butt smell. As far as the plumping aspect, I do feel something. I feel like my lips are slightly more plump than they were before, but it does feel nice and pillowy and soft. So I've been wearing this lipstick for a few minutes, five-ish minutes. Kind of the stinginess, the sensitivity, it's not sting, it doesn't hurt at all, but you're aware that something's on there. It's starting to wear off, so it gets a little bit less noticeable over time. That's nice, because that would be very annoying throughout the day. So that's good. If I had to rate these between 1 out of 5, I'd give them a solid 3.5. They're a solid lipstick, nothing super exceptional. I don't find that they're incredibly moisturizing or incredibly drying. They're just kind of a lipstick. But cute packaging though, that'd be cute. Like come out your purse, feeling all bougie, like, oh my god, you rang. So that's all, folks. If you like this video, be sure to like it, because apparently that matters these days. If you want to follow me on any of my social media, which you should, because it gets lit. I have Instagram, I have Twitter. I also have Snapchat, but I don't use it. But if you just like to know that I have one, I do. All of which are KennieJD. And if you haven't subscribed, what's your deal? Like seriously, we've come so far together and you haven't subscribed yet, fam? Like seriously? I give you my everything, okay? I see you when you sleep, okay? And I see that you didn't push the bell notification either. Get to that. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.